What is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video, I have here an iPhone 13 with a broken back glass cover. So we'll be fixing a back glass cover. So all the tools that I've been using in my repairs is on the description, and you might want to check the Involve Asia link. Please check it on the description as well. You'll earn extra income through that link. It's an affiliate marketing link. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll show you how to fix the iPhone 13 back glass. Let's go. So first thing that you'll need to do is wear a protective eyeglass, because you'll be dealing a glass or back glass of an iPhone. So make sure to protect yourself first. Use protective eyeglass. And as you can see, back cover of this iPhone is broken. Customer dropped it and decided to get it replaced. So we'll turn off the iPhone first, and again, all the tools that I've been using in this repair is on the description, so check the link. So I have here an iPhone holder. So the process on removing the back glass cover is just applying some heat on the back cover and use a knife, a prying tool knife. And basically the process is the same throughout the removing of the back glass cover, but don't apply too much heat on the back cover, because you might cook the iPhone 13. So just enough heat to remove the back glass cover, or to soften the glue that holds the back glass cover. Also use puncher, like a pen puncher, to break the glass, so you can easily pry the back glass cover. Just be careful. It's a repetitive steps. Apply heat, then pry, apply heat, then pry. And in the middle you can see the copper for the magnetic charging. You don't want to pry it, so just be careful in that area. Anyway, it should be easy to remove the glass in that area because there's no glue applied to it. And the magnets, you'll need to keep the magnets because you'll need to put it back. Again, don't apply too much heat, especially on the upper area of the iPhone 13, because there's a camera on it, and also the signals, Wi-Fi signal, and you don't want to damage it. And use a pen puncher to break the glass, but you gotta be very careful. So the iPhone holder is obviously gonna hold the iPhone while we are prying the back cover. Also, it's gonna minimize the error, like scratching the LCD. So we don't want to scratch the LCD while working on the back cover. So using the iPhone holder is gonna prevent that issue or problem while working on the back cover. Alright, so before I proceed with attaching the new back glass cover, I'd like to clean the workstation first to avoid any problem. And test the iPhone. Just make sure it's gonna turn on and other functions works before attaching the new back glass cover. Here, iPhone still works, it's still powering on, so we can proceed on attaching the back glass cover. Next step is putting back the magnet and then apply glue so we can attach the new back glass cover. So magnet is used for wireless charging, so we'll need to put it back in order for the wireless charging to work again. So one of the difficult steps here is putting back the magnet, so you gotta be patient. This magnet keeps on moving, so that's why it's kind of annoying. And then apply glue on the metal area. Don't put glue on the copper. And then attach the new back glass cover. And let the glue dry in an hour. Just use clamps and rubber bands to hold the back glass cover and wait for an hour. Alright, that's basically it. If you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and check the description on this video. You'll find some links. The tools that I've been using on my repairs is on the link, or is on the description, and you might want to check the Involved Asia link to earn extra money. Let's go.